Who is it? Talia. I feel like मैं किसी political party में हूँ and someone is going to ask me some really serious questions. My favorite song of the year in general? I really like the songs from Ram Leela, and I'm looking forward to actually hearing some of them tonight. अभी वो मेरे background में वो वाला गाना बज रहा है, इसलिए मेरे को वही गाना आ रहा है. Left, right, something chennai to. See this two word, you know, I'm Punjabi and I'm from Delhi, and this two word is like, we don't use it lightly, you know. So it's a heavy duty song for me. Thank you.
Just call him, please.
Please.
Yeah.
He's Hemant Kumarji's son. You all know.
Daughter-in-law.
They have been given Anarkali ka Golden Album Award, so they are receiving on behalf of their father, Hemant Kumarji.
Sorry, come again. Well, it's very overwhelming. I mean, now last nearly 25 years, Hemant Kumar is not among us, but his music, his songs, his picture is still there, and that's why we are here today. And I think I will say Radio Mirchi is hot because it's honoring my father-in-law, and even what an idea, you know, that's it. It's awesome. Thank you.
Want to ask me anything? I know. Hey, I am very well. This year, of course, been some fantastic music as always, but I think what takes my heart is the very retro feel to the song called Savarnu from Lutera. I think that's my favorite. Singer, of course, Monali Thakur. Yep. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
Okay. Is somebody going to ask me some questions or something? I'm always very happy because apart from being a jury member, this is a day when I meet all my friends, the people from music fraternity. I get to hear all the young artists, the new artists of today, so I feel very happy about it. Music Awards, my expectation is that this will get better and better so that finally it will be awards not only for Bollywood, but it will also have independent artists who will get award and people will get an exposure and learn to share their music with the people of this country and all over the world. Well, we have a very, very esteemed jury which is led by Javed Saab, and we really try to do our work as sincerely and best as we can. Rest is in God's hands, I suppose. Thank you. Thank you. Biggest achievement for the industry? Well, I don't think, I don't know whether it's been a dramatic year like that, but today being a jury member, when I heard the songs, I felt this year, the songs were a little more softer. There were some songs with better lyrics, and there's a little more emotional approach to some of the songs like Ashiki, and Ram Leela had some. And so I thought the music of this year was quite promising, according to me. Thank you.
Very excited. Where do I look? Okay, very excited, and my first time at a music awards function. So I guess the experience will be new. I don't think there's anybody in Bollywood, in the Indian film industry, who's part of films and not close to music. I think we all actors, actresses, music directors, producers, directors, even cinematographers, we're all close to music. You can't have movies without music in India. I don't have any one favorite. I think there are lots of albums, lots of music that's really worked in a big way. So I think we've made some fine music this year. Can't select any one. No, I can't think of one favorite song. Yes, I do love watching cricket, but I'm not a hardcore fan. I'm not going to get into those controversial questions. Let's enjoy what we are doing well. There's everything has a plus and minus. Let's think about the plus right now, not the minus. Thank you. हाँ? नहीं, आपको देख के मेरी बोलती बंद हो जाती है, तो मैं कभी गाने की सोचता नहीं जब आप हो, क्योंकि आप इसी गली में मिलती हो मुझे हमेशा. No, I can't sing. I'm not a singer. म्यूजिक का तो बहुत शौक है, बट सिंगिंग का शौक नहीं है. नो, आई कैन सिंग दैट वे. तो मतलब गाड़ी में, बाथरूम में, मूवी हॉल में, जिम में गाते ही हम लोग, मतलब एक दूसरे में, मतलब अपने आप के साथ कभी गाते हैं हम, बट सिंगिंग का शौक वैसे एज अ प्रोफेशन नहीं है. थैंक यू.
That's what you want? What to say about it? It's okay? Hi. Singer of the year, well, I do love all the songs of Ashiki. That's, I think, a very common, popular. I think अभी वही होगा, because क्या हुआ है that मैंने किसी को कहा कि अगर it doesn't win, I'll be pleasantly surprised and shocked. Unless there's a song that has been missed by all of us, तो पता नहीं है, but अभी तो वो it's like a haunting tune that just goes on and on and on. So I think, yeah, Ashiki 2. I like हम तेरे बिन नहीं रह सकते, and I also like actually the entire album. It's a compilation. Yeah, bit गुनगुनाना. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा हो जाएंगे फिर भी खुद से ही. Some things, and that's not my job anyway, so that's the tune that I like. Thanks.
चेयर पर बैठा हुए
100% Mika Singh is gonna steal the show. 100% he's gonna. 100% Mika is gonna steal the show, and since music is very close to me, that's one of the reasons I'm here. I am so looking forward for Sonu Nigam and Manish Paul hosting the show, and there are a lot of veteran singers, there are a lot of talented singers. Arjit Singh is here, he's performing, Mika Singh is performing, so I'm like all excited to see them all live and hoot for them. In the garden, alone. Song of the year, I really like Nagara song, which is, I like the melody of it. Since I'm a Gujarati, I love the melody of it, and I like all the songs of Mika Singh because it's all hard hitting, it's all hit the dance floor kind of an attitude music. So I like, I'm just very addicted to music, so I like all kind of music. है था actually, but नहीं, it's because of जो 50 one day cricket match था ना, उसका जो excitement and addiction I had was too much. I used to like wear the cap and paint my face and all of that, and I used to do. But 2020 has gone a little slow for me. I can't say completely because of match fixing and all, but it's just that my focus changed.